normally, nag-range siya ang size ng isang 2-bedroom unit ng DMCI from around 52 square meter to around 58 square meter. But this time, I'll show you a larger 2-bedroom unit na makikita sa Alder Residences. So this is 2-bedroom D. So this is a 67 square meter with balcony na 2-bedroom unit. As you can see, hindi siya yung typical na layout. So tinatawag namin dito is a Korean cut layout. So makikita niyo yung living area, siya yung may access sa balcony. Ayan. Instead na dito yung bedroom 2, living area na dito. So palit sila ng position. So yung living area, nandito siya. And yung bedroom 2 naman, is pagpasok nyo, nasa may right agad siya, makikita nyo. So tara, pasok po tayo. By the way, this unit is a bare unit. Good news, ganito mismo yung delivery. Upon delivery, ganito yung makikita nyo. So it's bare or fully fitted. So lahat na makikita dito is ito yung mga inclusions. So let's start with the kitchen area. So dito sa kitchen area, makikita niyo yung granite finished kitchen countertop. So standard ito sa mga DMCA project actually. Kung upon delivery, ganito yung makikita nyo. And meron tayong soft close system na cabinets. Ayan. Ayan. So di siya babagsak. Ayan. So dito rin, meron din dito. And then of course, meron provision for range hood. So ayan, meron din ditong cabinets, more cabinets. So, ideally, dito lalagay yung living area. So, just like what I have mentioned a while ago, ito yung may access sa balcony. So, kung may bisita po kayo, maganda dito is makakadiretso sila sa balcony without going to your room. So, itong balcony, actually, it's large balcony. So, I think it's more than 8 square meter. Ayan. So, let's start sa bedroom 2 muna, the smaller bedroom. So, ideally, itong bedroom 2 is para sa mga kids. Or yung iba ginagawa itong small office. So, dito po siya. Usually, nilalagyan ng cabinet dito. Actually, dito yung bed. Ideally, dito yung bed. Tapos, lalagyan ng cabinet dito. Ayan. Then, may window siya dito. Nakita niyo yung hallway. So, pwede yung lagyan ng curtain na lang for privacy, of course. And then let's proceed to the bathroom. Yan. So dito sa bathroom, yan, actually maganda bare siya. Of course, may exhaust na nakakasama dito. And then included na yung lavatory, tapos itong granite finish na countertop. Ayan. Ayan, of course, may mga tiles na siya, since fully fitted niya siya. Yan. Spacious toilet and bathroom. Then ito, hindi mawawala to sa mga 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom unit ng DMCI homes. Itong laundry area. So, it is floor to ceiling. Ayan. Yung iba ginagawa rin sa storage actually. So, depende po sa inyo kung ano gusto nyo gawin dito. Pero ideally for laundry area. Or dyan na po lalagay yung washing machine nyo. Ayan. So let's go to master's bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom. Ayan, dito nilalagay usually yung cabinets. And then dito yung bed, of course, dito yung bed. Ayan. For the master's bedroom, meron lang tayong window. So actually, mas malaki yung mga window dito as compared to other units ng DMCI home. So ayan, makikita niyo naman, laki ng window. So maganda siya lagyan ng magandang interior design na curtain. So imagine, ang ganda ng especially kung may meron kayong magandang view. So ayan po, basically this, the 67 square meter. Actually may iba pa tayong mga option, not just 2-bedroom D. So this project has still available units left. So if you want to inquire or to know more about this project, you can send a message to me directly sa mga social media pages na makikita nyo sa screen nyo ngayon, as well as on my email address or mobile number. So again, thank you so much for watching my condo vlog here in Alder Residences. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to like also this video. So I'm looking forward to guide you on this investment, and if you want to schedule a site tripping or Zoom meeting, again, please don't hesitate to contact me. So God bless you all. Let me guide you home.